Hi guys, welcome back to Mad About Designs. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to design this triple pendulum mechanism using Autodesk Fusion 360. If we go to Motion Study, turn on the loop and play it, here you can see the mechanism. This assembly is consisting of 5 components and here they are. This one is the base and these are the pendulums. Here are the tools and commands we used in this tutorial and the dimension of triple pendulum mechanism. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe to us and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any of our new videos. Now without wasting time, let's get into it. First, create a new design by going to Files, select New Design. The unit we're going to use in this tutorial is centimeter. So change it to centimeter and click OK. First, create a new sketch on the front plane. Go to Center Dia Circle, select the center as the origin. Draw 4 concentric circles of diameter 15 cm, 13 cm, 11 cm and 9 cm respectively as follows. Now these dimensions may cause problem while sketching, so turn them off by going to Show Dimensions and uncheck this option. Now go to Straight Line command and turn on this construction feature. Now I am going to draw some straight lines from the origin about which I am going to trim these circles. So the endpoint of this line will be on the outermost circle at an angle of 5 degrees. Draw another straight line up to anywhere here. I'm going to specify the angle later. Now, under Create, go to Sketch Dimension. You can also press D for shortcut. Select this line and specify the angle between them as 100 degrees. Go to Trim command and trim out this portion of the circle. Now, delete these construction lines because I don't want them to cause any problem while sketching. Again go to Straight Line and repeat the same feature with different angles. This time draw the straight line up to this circle at an angle of 180 degrees. Second line on this circle at an angle of 80 degrees. Now press shortcut key T to go to Trim command and trim out this portion. Again, delete these construction lines. Again, go to Straight Line command. This time we will draw on this circle. Select the first point on the origin and the second point on this circle at an angle of 10 degrees. Draw the second line parallel to this one in the opposite side as follows. Press T to go to Trim command and trim out this portion and this one too because I want the arc to be in between these two lines. Now delete these construction lines again. Make sure you don't select the construction line as this because the center point may be selected. So delete it. Go to Straight Line again and for the last circle specify the angle of 20 degrees. And for the second line we will specify the angle later. Press D to go to Sketch Dimension, select these two lines and specify an angle of 55 degrees in between them. Go to Trim command and trim out these circular portions. Now delete the construction lines. Here is my circular part ready for the pendulums. Now go to 2-point rectangle, select the first point as the origin, turn off the construction feature and select the other point outside this arc, give it any length and then width of 0.15 cm. Draw another rectangle horizontally aligned with the origin with a width of 0.15 cm and a length of 7.5 cm as follows. Now go to center dia circle, select the center as the origin and give it a dia of 2 cm. Draw another circle. Draw a 2-point circle. Select the first point as this corner and give it a diameter of 2 cm. Now go to straight line command. Select the first point as the origin and the second point on this quadrant of the circle. Go to trim command and trim these unnecessary portions of the circle and the rectangles as follows. Now go to straight line command again, turn on the construction feature, select the first point as the origin, and the second point on this arc at an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal as follows. Draw another straight line from the origin. On this arc, press D to go to sketch dimension command, select this construction line and the horizontal line and specify an angle between them as 60 degrees. Delete this line. Go to 2-point rectangle and change it to 3-point rectangle. Select the first point as this intersecting point. Give it a length of 1.5 cm parallel to this construction line and a width of 0.15 cm as follows. Now double click on this line to select the whole rectangle and turn off the construction feature. Go to 2-point rectangle again and change it to 3-point. Turn off construction feature. Select the first point as this intersecting point and the second point parallel with this construction line. Give it a length of 1.5 cm and a width of 0.15 cm as follows. Here you can see some excessive part of the rectangle. Don't worry about them, they won't cause us any problem. Go to straight line command, select the first point on this quadrant of the arc, vertically aligned with the origin, give it any length. Now draw the sketches as follows. We're gonna assign dimensions later. Check this show dimension option. Press D to go to sketch dimension command. Select these two lines and assign a horizontal distance between them 0.25 cm. Select these two and assign an angle of 120 degree. Repeat the same here. Now select this line and give it a length of 0.5 cm. Give this one a length of 0.25 cm. For this, 1.5 centimeter, and for this vertical line 0.5 centimeter. Here is our profile ready. Finish sketch. Now go to Surface tab, click on Extrude, select these arcs and extrude them symmetrically up to a length of 0.5 centimeter. Click OK. Now all these sketches have been turned into surfaces. Here is our sketch. Now under Create, go to Thicken, select all these faces and give them a thickness of 0.25 centimeter. Direction symmetric, so they will be thickened on the both sides of the surface up to a thickness of 0.25 centimeter. Here they are. Now go to Solid again. Under Modify, click on Fillet. Select these edges. And fillet them up to a radius of 0.5 centimeter. Here you can see we have two edges left, so fillet them too. Now show the sketch one. Go to Front View, click on Revolve, select this profile and for the axis select this line. Operation, join, click OK. We're going to repeat the same thing this profile too. Right click and repeat Revolve. For the profile, select these three profiles separately. And for the axis, select this line. Change the operation to New Body. Click OK. Now we have not assigned the distance between the origin and the end point of this cylinder. We're going to assign them later. Now do the remaining revolves. Go to Revolve. For the profile, select these two profiles and for axis this construction line. Operation, New Body. Click OK. Repeat the revolve. Select these two profiles and for the axis this construction line. Change the operation to New Body and click OK. Repeat the revolve for the last time. For profile, select this one and for the axis this vertical line. Operation, New Body. Click OK. Here all of our bodies ready. Now before doing further steps, let's correct our previous sketch. So right click on the sketch one and edit sketch. Press D to go to sketch dimension command. Select the center and this corner of the rectangle and assign a horizontal distance of 6 cm in between them. Finish sketch. Here it is. Now hide sketch one. It's time to join some of our bodies and cut some of them. So go to Combine, for the target body select this one and as the tool body select this stand. Operation cut. So the portion of the stand will be cut from our pendulum, but we want our stand to keep even after the cut. So check this keep tools option and click OK. Here you can see the portion of the stand has been cut from the pendulum, but we still have the stand. We're going to repeat combine and do the same thing for these pendulums. Target body, this one, select this one as the tool body and turn on keep tools option. Operation cut, click OK. Right click and repeat combine. Select these two bodies. Operation cut, click OK. Repeat the same thing here. Operation cut, keep tools option on and click OK. Here we have cut the required parts from the pendulum. It's time to join the required parts. So right click and repeat combine. For the target body, select this one, and for the tool body, this one. Operation join and uncheck the keep tool option. We don't want a separate new body after joining them. Click OK. Repeat the same thing for these two. Repeat it again for the last time. Here we have all of our bodies ready. Now select body 5, press shift and select body 12. So all the intermediate bodies will be selected. Right click on any of them and select the option create component from bodies, so that all the bodies will be converted into components. Here the components 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here you can see components are not joined together as they are not constrained to each other. Before assigning any joints, we need to make one of our components ground. For this design, I'm going to ground this stand. So right click on component 5 and make it ground. Now it won't move from its original position, whereas the other components can be easily moved as follows. Before proceeding, I want to rotate this pendulum. So press M to go to move command, change the object type to components, select this component, set pivot as the center of this cylinder as follows. Done. Now rotate the component at an angle of 180 degree as follows. Capture position, click OK. It's time to assign joints between the pendulums and the stand. So under assembly, go to S-build joint. For the component, select the first one as this pendulum and the second one as this stand. Joint type, revolve. And for the snapping position, select this cylinder. Here our pendulum is rotating in right direction, so click OK. Right click and repeat as build joint. We're gonna do the same thing for these two pendulums. As the snapping point, select the center of this cylinder. Here it is rotating properly, so click OK. Right click and repeat as build joint. Select these two components, and for the snapping, repeat the same step. Click OK. We're gonna do it for the last time. Select these components, and for the snapping point, the center of this cylinder. Click OK. Here we have assigned all the joints. Hide the joints. Now if I try to rotate The joints, you can see they are not synchronized to each other and I can't rotate them properly. In order to make them synchronized, under Assembly, go to Motion Study. Here I have to select the joints in order to assign relations in between them and to animate them. Under Joints, select Revolve one as this one. Click on the end point, specify an angle of 360 degree and change the step to 100. Click here and select the second joint as Revolve 2. Click on the edge, specify the angle as -360 degree as follows. It's time for the third joint. Select Revolve 3. Repeat the same process. This time specify an angle of 360 degree at step 100. And for the fourth joint, specify the angle as -360 degree. Here I have selected all the joints and assigned the angular rotation in between them from 0 to 100th step. Now decrease the speed, turn on the loop option and play it. Here you can see our pendulums are synchronized to each other and rotating in a proper way. Two of the joints are rotating from 0 to 360 degree and two of them are rotating from 0 to -360 degree. That means if you consider two of them are rotating in clockwise direction, the other two of them are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Click OK. Revert to the original position. It's time to assign some colors. Press A to go to Appearance. I'm going to apply this metallic yellow, white and black color on them. Here is our triple pendulum ready. Now if you want to animate it again, go to Motion Study, right click and Edit. Decrease the speed, turn on the loop option and play it. I hope you guys have learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.